Hello everyone! Today I will share a simple yet very delicious portabella mushroom side dish. The recipe I'm making is for 4 servings. Start by melting 5 tablespoons of butter in a large pan. When the butter has melted, arrange the washed mushrooms in the pan with the bottom side up, season with salt, cover the pan with a lid and cook under medium heat until the mushrooms release their juices, about 10 to 12 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of pine nuts, and you can skip those if you don't have them. They've been sitting in my pantry for a while, so I decided to throw them in there. So sprinkle 2 tablespoons of pine nuts and sprinkle with black pepper to taste. Continue to cook the mushrooms uncovered for another 10 to 12 minutes. Next, add 7 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and turn the burner down to between about medium and low. When the heavy whipping cream starts to bubble, add 3 tablespoons of shredded Parmesan cheese and mix it all together. If the sauce still looks runny, add 2 more tablespoons of shredded Parmesan cheese and stir it occasionally until the sauce thickens. This is a great side dish for any type of steak or pork chops, and it goes great if you pour it over baked chicken. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if so, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.